Accounting rules are not the same everywhere. Let's explore why. Accounting standards exist to ensure transparency, consistency, and comparability in financial reporting. Different countries develop their own framework based on local laws, business practices, and investor needs. In this video, we'll look into two globally popular standards: US GAAP, Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, and IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standards. GAAP is rule-based, offering detailed guidance for almost every scenario, while IFRS is principles-based, giving more flexibility and relying on professional judgment to achieve accurate reporting. Here are the major differences. First, revenue recognition. GAAP has strict industry-specific rules, while IFRS focuses on the principle of transferring control to the customer. This allows more judgment in timing revenue recognition under IFRS. Second, inventory costing. GAAP permits last in, first out, or weighted average. But IFRS prohibits last in, first out, which affects cost of goods sold and taxable income. Third, asset measurement and revaluation. IFRS often allows revaluation of property, plant, and equipment at fair value, whereas GAAP typically uses historical cost. Fourth, financial statement presentation. IFRS offers more flexibility in presenting line items, their headers, and subtotals on the balance sheet and income statement, while GAAP enforces a stricter format. Fifth, other differences. Treatment of leases, development cost, and impairment testing also differ, often giving IFRS more discretion and judgment calls. Understanding these differences is critical for multinational businesses, investors, and accountants to ensure accurate interpretation and comparison of financial statements across borders. Thanks for watching Accounting 101. This is Sveda from Zoho Books. See you all in the next video.